In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to create custom forms in Framer. So let's start with adding a new form. To do this, first, you need to open the Insert menu by pressing I on your keyboard. After this, navigate yourself to the Forms section. It's here that you would want to drag the Form Builder component onto your canvas. This component comes preloaded with default fields, such as name, email, and message. Once you are comfortable with the basics, let's move on to customize these fields to suit your needs. Start by selecting the form that you have just inserted. Then, look for the blue plus button in the right-hand panel and click on it to add a new field. For each input that you add, you can use the Properties panel to adjust the field type. Whether you want it to be a number, text area, or date, the choice is entirely yours. You can also edit the label or placeholder text to display any message you prefer. For fields that are mandatory, don't forget to mark them as required by checking the box. Moving on, it's time to add a touch of your own style to the form. You can do this by customizing the form details from the colors to the borders, and even the padding. You have two options here. You can either select individual inputs and customize them, or opt for an overall change to the entire form. To create interactive effects, you should select an input and choose a focus state from the States dropdown, then customize its appearance. To save time, consider copying the style from one input and pasting it onto other fields. Well, now that you have styled your form, we will set up the submission process. Begin by selecting the main form frame. In the Properties panel, choose the Send to Destination. This can be an email if you want to receive submissions directly. In such a case, you have to enter your email address. You can also select Google Sheets to connect your Google account and automatically export submissions to a new spreadsheet. Alternatively, opting for a webhook would enable you to leverage advanced integrations with third-party services. Lastly, set a redirect page for users to be sent to after submission, such as a thank you page. Almost there. Click the Publish button to make your site live. It is time to see your form in action. Test the form on your published site to confirm if the submissions are sent to your chosen destination. And there we are. By following these steps, you will be able to create your custom forms in Framer.